Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we are back with another tutorial, and this time we are working on how you can add an event into your calendar using a .ics file. Okay, so now we should know like what is .ics file. So basically, for example, like if you are creating a appointment and you want to invite other users for that appointment, then what you can do is you can create a .ics file as an invitation, and you can send that into the email of the other person which you want to invite. Now what will happen is they will get the event invite and they can accept that or decline that. So that's how this process will work. So for this guys, what we have here is we are using the SMTP details and which we have stored in the web config file, and then we need the attendees email. Now this is the person who will be attending that event. Okay, so this will be the Gmail or email field. Okay, so now guys, we have to first check the ICS file that we will be creating. Okay, so .ics file, that content should be like followed in specific manner, only then it will work. Okay, so a iCalendar is the thing that we are sending to the other user for invitation. Now the most important part is the method here. So this method field guys, you have to set to request. Okay, so if you want to create a event or update an event, then you have to set that to request. If you want to specify the start time of the event, then you have to pass to the dt start field, and the dt end field is for when will the event will add. Okay, so then you have to specify the location. Now this is the place where the invitation is happening. Okay, and then you have to specify the UID field. Now UID is basically a specific unique ID of the event. Now if you want to update that event again, then you have to specify the UID which you have passed while creating the event. Okay, now same goes for deleting the event. You will need this ID when deleting the event. Okay, so then description can be anything, like any data that you want to describe about the event. Okay, and then the other thing is organizer guys. Organizer is the person who is organizing the event, so you can specify any email for that organizer. Now whenever any attendee will accept or decline the event, then you will get a email on the organizer email, like if they accepted or declined. Okay, so attendee is the again the email who is attending the event. So this is I have specified from web config. Okay, so coming back to this, here we are trying to send a email, so we are using mail message here, and then we are generating the email content as attachment. Okay, so using the method that we just seen here, and then we are adding that to attachment and sending that as email. Now we will see how you will see that in the email. Okay, so this is the Gmail account I have, and you can see I don't have any event for today. Okay, so now we will run our code and we will see how that will look like in the Gmail. Okay guys, so here this is small tutorial. So I have created this text box. Now this is the receiver email where you want to send the invite. So we will click on send event invite, and then we will be getting the data from the web config, and here we are creating the .ics data. So you can see, you will see that .ics file data into this format. Okay, so you can see the data here. Okay, and then we will close that, so it will be adding that to the attachments, and now we are sending that to the receiver. Okay guys, so now here we will notice how that will see. So we got appointment invite here, and when we click on that, Now it says this event isn't your in your calendar yet. Okay, so you can see that we have got the invite, and here we have two options like yes or no. So we can click on yes here, and on the right side you will notice that we have got that event added into our calendar. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add event into your calendar. Now you can open that and you can see the attendee here, and then you can see the location that we added, and also like the timings of the event. Okay, so this is how you can send event invite using .ics file into your Gmail. So you can see this was the file that we created .ics. Okay, so now this is used for creating an event. Now if you need the code part, guys, then what you can do is you can go to our official website, code2night.com. So here we often add different articles, so you can check any of those, and many of them have the code part attached, so that will be helpful. So we have this blog here, and we will give you a direct link in the description of the video, so don't worry about that part. And if the video works for you, then you can just join us on WhatsApp or Facebook. And here you can see, guys, the same code that we just seen in the video, so you can check out that code and you can see how that will work. So on this is it, guys. Let us know if you face any kind of issue in creating the event, and thank you.